I'm serious.
Day and night, but it's so hard to find somebody like you. I've been searching the whole world. Day and night, but it's so hard to find somebody like you. 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 I've been trying to move on, forget about those nights we drive all night long in your dad's Mercedes Benz. Do you remember those summer nights we drive all night long in my dad's Mercedes Benz? I've been thinking about how we used to be. I don't know why or why it had to end. I've been thinking about how we used to be. I don't know why or why you had to leave. I've been searching the whole world, day and night, but it's so hard to find somebody like you. I've been searching the whole world, day and night, but it's so hard to find somebody like you. 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 Somebody. Somebody like you. Somebody like you. Somebody like somebody like but it's so hard to find somebody like you. I've been searching the whole world, day and night, but it's so hard to find somebody like you. 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 I've been trying to move on, forget about those nights we drive all night long in your dad's Mercedes Benz. Do you remember those summer nights we drive all night long in my dad's Mercedes Benz? I've been thinking about how we used to be. I don't know why or why it had to end. I've been thinking about how we used to be. I don't know why or why you had to leave. I've been searching the whole world, day and night, but it's so hard to find somebody like you. I've been searching the whole world, day and night, but it's so hard to find somebody like you. 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 Somebody. Somebody
I'm done with my nails and everything, so now it's left with my hair. I want to do my hair because I don't like the way my hair is looking now. Yeah, and yeah, so I'm going to do my hair next. I'm going to do a weave-in. I want to do a weave-in. I've not done a weave-in before. This is my first time. Like, I want to try it. Yeah, I will do my weave-in with the hair I got from Shein the last time. Yeah, that's what I'm using to do my hair. Yeah, and what again? Yeah, that's what I'm using to do my hair. And I also want to wash my hair too, because like I've been washing it myself, and I want a professional to wash it this time. I want to do an outro to this video now, because I don't know if I will be able to do it when I return. I'm not sure, because it will be late, like, so I won't be able to do it after I return. So in case I'm not able to do a video again when I'm done with my hair, like, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and like I'm wasting too much time. Yeah, so I'm going to do my hair. Okay, see you guys. Hey guys, wait guys, did I tell you guys that I'm not going to film again when I'm done with my hair? I lied, because how can I not film again when my hair is eating this bad? Like how? Why would I not film again when my hair is looking this bad? Guys, I just wanted to show you guys my hair. Guys, this hair is eating so bad. Like, I'm in love with this hair. Can you guys see? Like, it looks like my natural hair. It's eating so bad, guys. Like, will you guys believe when I tell you that this is a weave? No, this is not a weave. This is my natural hair, because there's nothing you would tell me for me to believe that like this weave. No one is going to believe it. And this is my first time doing like a weaving like this. So I really love the hair. Where's the minimum bontia? Obi an obeje di say we nya mitrin hwi o me kakra say e weave ko and jindi. Because like it's eating so bad. This is the end of the video. Like, I can't continue, I can't do anymore. Like, I can't do anymore because I'm tired. Your girl is tired since morning. Like, I'm tired. I can't do any more videos. Yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Like, I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Let me know in the comment section if you guys enjoyed watching today's video. And guys, I really appreciate you guys for watching my videos. Like, it's so nice. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, subscribe. Thank you. Subscribe to your girl's channel, and please don't forget to like. Yeah, it's very important, because the more you like my videos, the more YouTube recommend my videos to like different people. So guys, it doesn't cost, so please guys, like my videos. Okay, pinky please like my videos. Okay, thank you all. So guys, I'm going to leave you all for today to our next video. Okay, don't forget to stay safe. You all stay safe out there. Okay, I love you all. Bye. Baby.